Hey friends, I Chetan Shirsagar, an EHS professional. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel of Knowledge Factory, where we share knowledge related to environment, health and safety. In this video, I will tell you about the toolbox talk of electrical safety. But before going ahead, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for more latest interesting videos. And don't forget to like and share this video. And do watch this video till the end to gain complete knowledge. Toolbox talk helps to reduce the workplace incidents. But how it helps to reduce the workplace incident and how you have to conduct the toolbox talk. So you have to give the toolbox talk before starting the day's work. It is a refresher talk which is given every day. It is given for 10 to 15 minutes. It should be short and simple to understand. In Toolbox Talk, workers shall be made aware about the hazard associated with their work and action taken to eliminate the hazard. In Toolbox Talk of electrical safety, you have to tell about the maintaining the electrical equipment in good condition. Damaged or defective electrical equipment should not be used to perform the electrical work. Only double insulated portable electrical tools should be used. Pre-inspection of the electrical equipment should be done prior to use. Ensure that the cable is not laid through the water or along the pathways. Use only industrial pin top and extension board to carry out the electrical work. Electrical handlers shall always be checked before use for any damage. If they found damage, then they should be rejected. Provide electrical supply to the electrical equipment through the earth leakage circuit breaker ELCB. Ensure isolation of energy before working on any machine. Ensure to dissipate the static electric charge while entering or working in the flammable area. Do not use domestic extension board for taking any electrical supply. Drinking water bottle or can should not be stored in electrical substation or PCC panel or near any electrical equipment. Do not touch the electrical equipment or cable with wet hand. This may lead to the electrocution. Power supply to any electrical equipment should always be provided by the certified electrician only. To carry out electrical work at height, you have to use only FRP ladder. Do not insert the cable of any electrical equipment into the socket without pin top. While shifting the ladder, check for the high tension line. Use appropriate PPEs while working on electricity, like electrical safety shoes, electrical hand gloves, etc. The toolbox talk helps to improve the safety at work, keep team members alert about the hazards, and it helps to improve the communication of team. You can record the toolbox talk data of electrical safety to evaluate the safety performance. Thank you. Knowledge is power to your success.